Ziko nyakati kwenye maisha huwa ni ngumu, za kukataliwa na za kufelisha. Nyakati hizi wengine hukata tamaa na kuona ni heri kufa, ila nitakutia moyo kwa sababu the sky is never the limit but your mind is, yaani moyo. Uhai peke yake ni mtaji wa mtu kutimiza ndoto zake, maana neno la Mungu linasema ni afadhali mbwa aliye hai kuliko simba aliyekufa.
I can be wherever that I wish to become, and I can be whomever that I wish to become. I can be wherever that I wish to become, and I can be whomever that I wish to become. Oh, I can be whoever I can be. Yako matumaini kwa mti uliokatwa, ya kwamba siku za usoni nao utachipuka. Sijiweke mpaka wala sijengi ukuta, ya kwamba mwisho nimefika. Hapana, nazidi songa, pale napopataka lazima nitafika, maana naweza mambo yote katika yeye muumba wa vyote, na nionavyo ndani yangu ndo wamua maisha yangu. I can be, I can be,
I can be wherever that I wish to become, and I can be whomever that I wish to become. I can be wherever that I wish to become, and I can be whomever that I wish to become. I can be, I can be.
jua linapozama, ishara usiku umewadia. Haimaanishi tukate tamaa, kesho tajaribu tena. I can be whatever, hata watu wakinibeza,
Wakiniona kama nacheza, ipo siku Mungu atanikweza.
hata hofu ije usoni, ila imani iko moyoni. Aliyetangaza mwisho mwanzoni, nitafika hata kama shoni.
Kwa macho yangu ya nyama yanaweza nidanganya, ila nitasimama, nitaendelea kufanya. I can be a president, I can be a lawyer, I can be a teacher, I can be a lecturer, I can be a doctor, I can be a preacher, I can be a professor, I can be an engineer. matter what people say I am, but I am what God says I am. I can be a teacher, a professor, an engineer,